non-invasive, powered, and custom fit for each individual. This company's groundbreaking arm braces are designed to help improve hand and elbow movement for those suffering from arm paralysis caused by stroke or other neurological conditions. Join us as we meet and learn about Myomo.
Myomo is a medical robotics company which makes powered arm braces for people with paralyzed arms. So with our powered arm braces, people are able to use their arms and hands again, feed themselves, do household tasks, go back to work, and really improve their quality of life.
The MyoPro was first developed at MIT, where the engineers and medical technologists worked to develop state-of-the-art sensing technologies and actuators to restore patients' function.
MyoPro powered arm brace amplifies the user's neurological signals to create motion. So just by thinking about moving your paralyzed limb, our sensors that are built into the brace pick up that trace signal and we amplify it. There's a computer chip, our proprietary software on the device, which then powers a few motors, and then you can basically move your arm up and down, you can open and close your hand to feed yourself, do these other activities that are important for you. Medicare and other major insurance companies will cover the cost of the MyoPro for medically qualified candidates. After going through a patient evaluation and obtaining a written order from your physician, we will then supply that information to the insurance company and then get coverage for the device. Then each device is custom manufactured for the patient.
The team at Myomo is very passionate. They work together to solve unique patient challenges. So we have a cross-functional team and a cross-discipline team made up of engineers. So they work together and they work with the patients at Myomo.
The users, when they first learn about the MyoPro, they learn how to put the MyoPro on, and then we program the orthosis so that it'll work on their muscle and strengthening so that they can start to do functional tasks.
The MyoPro is an amazing tool in the toolbox of rehabilitation physicians and therapists. Really, it allows us to help restore the function of an individual with a paralyzed arm. We know that therapy can only go so far, and for an individual with a stroke or a brachial plexus injury, the MyoPro can really be the difference.
The first time I tried the MyoPro was at Hanger Clinic, and we put it on and adjusted everything, and it was the very first time in 2.5 years that I opened my hand and closed it. It's emotional still. And the first time I was able to move my arm again, and I was beyond happy. I couldn't stop crying, but it really has changed my life.
The MyoPro, in the beginning, it was just a thought. And then I called and they did the intake and they said I was eligible to get the unit. When it came in, I met the girls, the team, which was awesome. And the first time I put it on, I was able to straighten my arm out and move my fingers for the first time in 4 years.
Myomo pioneered creating these devices that restore function to paralyzed limbs. Based on the patented technology that we licensed from MIT, we've already improved the lives of thousands of individuals, enabling them to perform tasks of daily living, go back to work, and improve their quality of life.